Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of our newest swap motor mount kits. This is to put a Cummins engine into your OBS truck. So if you don't know what an OBS Chevy truck is, it's an 88 to 98 Chevy 1500 pickup. So these motor mounts work with just the half-ton trucks. They do not work with the 3/4 because the frames are a little different. But these mounts do come with the pads that bolt to your engine, but then they also have the frame side that include polyurethane bushings. These are all powder coated black for durability, and they come with the hardware to bolt each side together. So if you want to find out more about our Cummins Swap OBS motor mounts, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.